Hi guys, my name is Rotimi Lasisi and you're welcome to my YouTube channel. Basically guys, this video right here it's about PHP. So this video is for those that want to learn PHP. If you are interested in learning PHP, maybe you're coming from a front end programming language like HTML and CSS and you think it's time for you to delve into backend programming language and yeah, you want to learn PHP because PHP is a backend programming language. Now this course is for you. So if you have no prior knowledge of what PHP is all about, maybe you're coming from a different programming language entirely and you're just getting started with PHP. This video is for you because this video is basically for beginners. It is actually created for beginners. So if you've not learned PHP before, you have no idea what PHP is, you're coming from a different programming language apart from PHP, or you're a front end designer and you want to learn PHP from beginning, from a beginner phase to an expert, then this video right here is for you guys. So without too much ado, I'm just going to get started with what PHP is all about. Then we can get started with our video. All right, guys. So in order to get started, I'm just going to open a new text document so we can use this for yeah we can use this for our theory aspects here because we are going to have a theory aspects where we get to explain what PHP is all about to our viewers. So if you're yet to subscribe to this channel, I'll suggest you do that now so that you do not miss out on any of the videos I'm going to be uploading on PHP fundamentals. And guys, right after we've gone through PHP fundamentals, we are going to build our own projects. Yes, we are going to build our own CMS project using PHP. So that is why it is very important for anyone that is taking this course or watching this video to watch everything from beginning to the end, because everything we are going to be learning here so far, we are going to use it to build our content management system using PHP and a front-end language. All right, guys. That's pretty much it, guys, for the introduction. So I think I still have a little minute here, so I'm just going to use that as introduction to introduce us to PHP. So guys, what do you understand by PHP? Introduction to PHP. All right, guys. What do we understand by PHP? PHP actually stands for hypertext preprocessor. Yeah, hypertext preprocessor. Let me put that down for us. So hypertext preprocessor. So this is more like a recursive acronym because it's more like HPP to me. So PHP stands for hypertext preprocessor. It is a server-side scripting language. Let me put that down for us also, so we do not miss out on any of it. Is a server-side scripting language. So what do we mean by it's a server-side scripting language? PHP interacts basically with the server side of your computer. So for instance, a user grabs a laptop and opens a login form, enters his detail, enters his or her details and click enter, submit. Now The what's it called? The login form is present on the browser, right? So now when you click submit, you enter your data and click submit. Now your request is now being sent to the server side. It's been sent to the server. Then the server will release with the database. Then pull out your response. They'll pull out your response for your request and return it back in form of HTML and CSS. So you get that in your browser. I hope you're getting my analogy. So basically, PHP is a server-side scripting language. It interacts with your server side, unlike HTML that interacts with your browser. PHP interacts with your server side. So to use PHP, you either download and install PHP on your laptop, or you download a free local server that you can install on your laptop, and it's a package local server that you can install on your laptop and you can use to start to start coding. So guys, that is basically what PHP is all about. So now that we've gone through what PHP is all about, so I'm just going to before I end this lecture, I'm going to mention one or two things about PHP. So mention one or two popular companies that are using PHP and why PHP. So well, two popular companies that are using PHP is Facebook and WordPress. So most of their application, all of the applications are based on PHP and also WordPress. So and you will notice that anyone that wants to delve into using WordPress, for those that don't know, WordPress is a content management system that allows you to drag and drop your website, easily. So PHP also, WordPress is also built using PHP. So why PHP? PHP is a widely is like an open source programming language. It is free. It is free. Unlike other programming languages that you have to like purchase the software and install on your system, PHP is free and it is open source and it is still generally acceptable. So that's that about PHP, guys. And I think this video is also long enough. So in my next video, we are going to talk about um, how to set up our work environment and the type of code editor to download and install on our system. And we download the local server and we tweak one or two things in our local server and our code editor then and we start our coding proper. We then we delve into the meat of the tutorial. Yes, guys. All right, guys. So thank you so much for watching this video. I'll see you in the next video. Kindly subscribe to this channel if you haven't subscribed to this channel, and drop your comments in the comment section. Ask me any question that you would like to ask me, and I will be happy to respond to them. Bye, guys. See you in the next video.